Hey there, Pet Sittingology fans, it's Josh Carey here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and quite easily add or embed a YouTube video right on your WordPress-powered blog post. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is go over to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. So for this example, here's a short clip I shot of my daughter Danica enjoying a Saturday morning dance party. So let's say I want to embed this video on my site. Well, today, WordPress has made it so easy. You actually have a couple of options, and the easiest is going over to the URL, to the web address right here, and you simply copy that. Just grab the actual web address or URL to the YouTube video. Then you're going to bring that back to your blog post. So here we are. It's important to note that we have the two tabs up here. We have the visual and the text. For this purpose, it's totally okay to keep it on visual because watch what happens. Place the cursor wherever you want to embed the video. And you remember that URL we grabbed? Well, I'm simply going to paste the video, the URL, and look what happens automatically. They embed it right there on the page for you. If you were to switch over to the text version, you can see you have the same benefit. You simply paste the URL in full and it will appear. So let's preview changes and take a look at this. And you will see right here, it is wonderfully embedded. Now, the other option I want to show you is grabbing the actual embed code. And this is valuable and beneficial if you actually want to control the size of the video. Maybe you want it a little wider, a little bigger. Maybe you want it smaller than it defaults to when you just copy and paste the URL. So how do you do that? Well, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on this share button. And then you're going to see a couple of other options. You're going to see one that says embed. So you're going to click on embed. And then finally, you're going to click on show more. And this is going to open everything up for you. What it's going to do is it's going to populate a handful of video sizes that are proportional and also give you the option to choose a custom size. The great thing about choosing a custom size is all you have to do is insert one dimension. So if I know that the space I want is about 600 pixels wide, watch what happens. I'm going to type in 600, and then it will automatically deliver the height to keep it the same proportion. So if I'm happy with that, and by the way, you can keep all of these as the default. Once I'm happy with my custom size or the size that I choose here, I go right back up here and I copy this entire embed code. And again, I bring it back to my WordPress website. But here's the important thing. If I stay on the visual tab, because this is code, nothing is going to show on the page except the actual code. So if you run into this issue, if you paste the code and you go and view it and you only see the code, there's a very simple fix. The fix is that this needs to enter, because it's HTML code, you need to switch over to the text tab. Then you can paste your text code, go back to visual, and here you are. Now when we preview changes, you will no longer see the code, but you will see it with your new dimensions that you grabbed. Finally, at times you might inadvertently grab a piece of code and it will deliver it as a playlist. Now, there's a very simple solution for this. Let me show you what I mean. So here I am innocently searching for videos. I come across this one, and let's say I want to embed this video. So I'm going to click on it to follow the instructions and grab the embed code. But if you see here, everything looks a little differently now. You see this on the side here. Go down to here. You click on the share button again, and In the default tab, you'll see that the check mark says share with playlist. So uncheck that. Now it'll clean up the URL for you down here. If you copy this and post it as we did before, it will, in fact, just give you the single video you're looking for. And then, of course, you update your changes and you are in business. So those are the handful of specific ways you can easily embed a YouTube video. I hope this has been helpful. As always, I'd love to hear from you. Happy to keep the dialogue and conversation going. Thanks so much for watching.